So you've got an amazing idea for a product, right? Maybe it's a t-shirt with a killer design or a really unique bag, anything you can actually hold. But then comes the hard part, the biggest challenge of all. How do you take that brilliant idea in your head and turn it into a real, physical thing that's made perfectly?
Yeah, that's the real question, isn't it? How do you get your vision across with so much precision that a factory, maybe even one that's thousands of miles away, can make it exactly right with no flaws? Because if you get it wrong, oh boy, you're in for a world of pain. But if you get it right, well, you're really on your way.
When you start out, there are basically two roads you can go down. The road on the left, that's the one without a plan. It's just a minefield of expensive mistakes, super frustrating delays, and getting samples back that look, nothing like what you wanted. But the road on the right, the one with a solid blueprint, that one leads to accuracy, to speed, and to saving a whole lot of money. And the difference between them? It all comes down to one crucial thing.
And that one thing isn't about having the fanciest machines or anything like that. It's all about communication. See, there's this kind of language barrier between a creative designer and a technical manufacturer. To really succeed, you have to learn how to speak fluent factory.
Just think about it for a second. A designer might say something like, "I want a soft, heavy cotton." Okay, but what does that actually mean? To a factory, that's way too vague. They need to know the exact fiber content, the precise weight of the fabric, the specific color code. Without that shared technical language, all those critical details get lost in translation. And that's exactly when the production nightmares start.
So how do we fix this? How do we bridge that communication gap? Well, the answer is a special document that basically acts as a universal translator. It's the single source of truth for your product, and it's called a tech pack. To put it simply, a tech pack, or TP for short, is the absolute master blueprint for your product. It's this super comprehensive document that leaves zero room for error. It has every single technical detail a manufacturer could possibly need to bring your vision to life, exactly, and I mean exactly, as you imagined it. Here's a great way to think about it. You wouldn't try to build a complicated piece of furniture without the instruction manual, right? You'd be totally lost. Well, a factory feels the exact same way about your product. The Tech Pack is that step-by-step guide that makes sure every single piece is put together perfectly.
All right, so what exactly is inside this super important instruction manual? Let's pop the hood and break down the key components that make a tech pack truly professional grade.
A really great tech pack is built on four main pillars. First up, materials. And we're not just talking cotton. We mean the exact fabric composition, the weight, the specific color code. Second, technical drawings. These are detailed, annotated sketches of the front, the back, and any tricky features, calling out every last stitch and seam. Third, components. This is a complete list of every single item, from the buttons to the zippers to the threads. And finally, number 4, grading. This is all about the precise measurements you need to create a full range of sizes so you get a perfect fit for every single customer.
Let's just zoom in for a second on the level of detail we're talking about here. When we say components, we mean everything. The specific vector file for an embroidery, the exact Pantone color for your woven labels, the model number for the buttons, even the type and color of the thread for every single seam. This, right here, is how you eliminate all the guesswork.
Okay, so we get it. A tech pack is incredibly detailed, but it's so much more than just a list of specs. It's actually a really powerful strategic tool for your business. Let's dig into how this one simple document can save you a ton of time and, maybe most importantly, a lot of money.
So here's the bottom line. Your tech pack is basically your insurance policy. It's your first and best line of defense against all the stuff that can sink a new product line. Things like miscommunication, getting incorrect samples, and just blowing your deadlines. It lets you solve problems on paper before they cost you real money on the factory floor.
And yeah, let's talk about that money. Every single time a sample comes back wrong, a failed prototype, it can cost you hundreds of dollars and add weeks, sometimes more, to your timeline. A precise tech pack dramatically cuts down the number of samples you'll need, which puts that time and money right back into your pocket.
And it goes beyond just preventing mistakes. A tech pack gives you serious negotiating power. Think about it. If you ask for a price without one, a factory has to guess, and they are always going to quote high to cover their own risk. But when you walk in with a detailed tech pack, you're asking for an accurate, competitive price. You can then take that same document to a bunch of different factories and get them to compete for your business.
You can see right here, there's a direct cause and effect. When you take the time to create a detailed plan, you get fewer delays and fewer bad samples.
When you get multiple quotes, you can negotiate the best price. When you finalize all the details up front, you get no surprise costs later on. It's not just about being organized. It's about building a smart, predictable, and successful business. And all of this brings us to one final, really critical point. The tech pack isn't just a technical document. It's a statement. It's really the moment that your creative idea starts to transform into a real, scalable business.
You know what? Let's end on this because it says it all. Having a professionally created tech pack is one of the first crucial steps to manufacturing your product. It's not an optional extra or an afterthought. It is the foundation that your entire production is built on.
And that really leaves us with one last thing to think about. The tech pack is the answer to this question. See, anyone can have an idea for a product, but putting in the work to create a detailed, professional tech pack, that's the action of someone who is serious about building a business. It's your blueprint for success.